Biodiversity. Question 1. With reference to community reserve, consider the following statements. 1. It is declared by the central government in consultation with the state government. 2. It is declared in a privately owned land which is not within a national park, sanctuary or conservation reserve. 3. Community rights of people, such as grazing etc. in such reserve, are not affected. Choose the correct statement. A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 2. With reference to conservation reserve, consider the following statement. 1. It is declared by the state governments in any area owned by central or state government. 2. There are limitations on rights of people in these reserves. 3. Tamil Nadu was the first state to get a conservation reserve. 4. Developmental activities like roads or recreational activities can't be taken in conservation reserve. Which of the following statements are correct? A. 1, 2 and 4 only. B. 1 and 3 only. C. 2 and 4 only. D. 1 and 4 only. Question 3. With reference to Tiger Reserve, consider the following statements. 1. NTCA, National Tiger Conservation Authority, declares an area as Tiger Reserve. 2. Boundaries of Tiger Reserve can be altered with recommendations of NTCA. 3. NTCA is a statutory body under the Enabling Provision of Wildlife Protection Act 1972. 4. St. Petersburg Declaration was adopted in 2010 on tiger conservation. Which of the following statements are correct? A. 1, 2 and 3 only. B. 1, 3 and 4 only. C. 2, 3 and 4 only. D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Question 4. Consider the following statements with reference to Biosphere Reserve. 1. The concept of biosphere reserves was propounded as part of UNESCO's MAB, Man and Biosphere, program in 1975. 2. Buffer zone of Biosphere Reserve is used for scientific research. 3. Sand and stone mining are permitted in Biosphere Reserve. Which of the following statements are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 5. Consider the following statement. 1. Sacred groves are a living example of religious or cultural tradition which emphasize on nature's protection. 2. Botanical garden is an ex situ conservation whose one of the purposes is to study the introduction and acclimatization process of exotic plants. 3. Zoo is a stationary or mobile establishment where captive animals are kept for exhibition. Which of the following statements are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 6. With reference to rhinoceros, consider the following statements. 1. All three species of rhinoceros, Greater One-Horned Rhino, Sumatran Rhino and Javan Rhino, are listed under Appendix I of Sites and Schedule I of Wildlife Protection Act 1972. 2. Single horn is found in both male as well as female Indian rhino, Greater One-Horned Rhinoceros. 3. India, Nepal, Bhutan, Malaysia and Indonesia are the 5 rhino range nations. Choose the correct statement using the codes given below. A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 3 only. D. All of the above. Question 7. Consider the following statements regarding Indian biodiversity. 1. The East Himalayas have low rainfall, heavy snowfall as compared to West Himalaya. 2. Shawlers are an important component of the tropical rainforest of Northeast India. 3. Pneumatophores are important components of mangrove swarms of Sundarbans. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 1 only. C. 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 8. Consider the following statements with reference to levels of biodiversity. 1. In genetic diversity, the survival of individuals ensures the survival of the population. 2. Community diversity refers to the variety of living organisms on Earth. 3. Species diversity refers to the different types of habitats. Which of the statements given above are incorrect? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 1 and 3 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. All of the above. Question 9. Which of the following are the services provided by the biodiversity? 1. Research, education and monitoring. 2. Pollution breakdown and absorption. 3. Protection of water resources. 4. Recovery from unpredictable events. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A. 1, 2 and 4 only. B. 2, 3 and 4 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Question 10. Invertebrates are those animals which are without backbones. Consider the following. 1. Fish. 2. Annelids. 3. Echinoderms. 4. Arachnids. 5. Aves. Which of the options given above are invertebrates? A. 1, 3, 4 and 5 only. B. 2, 3 and 4 only. C. 1, 2, 3 and 5 only. D. 2, 3 and 5 only. Question 11. Consider the following statements with reference to the Wildlife Protection Act, 1972. 1. This act provides for the protection of all the species of animals and birds only. 2. There are 4 types of protected areas as provided under the Act: sanctuaries, conservation reserves, national parks and tiger reserves. 3. The Act provided for the establishment of the National Tiger Conservation Authority to strengthen tiger conservation in India. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 3 only. B. 1 and 2 only. C. 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3.